I'm so excited I'm getting the vaccine today. Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and today I'm volunteering at the vaccine clinic for Cottage Hospital in Santa Barbara. And I urge you to do the same. All over the country, they're looking for volunteers to help the rollout of the vaccinations. This was the morning when I arrived. Everybody was getting ready. There's about 100 people that volunteer for this particular auto site that vaccinates over 1,800 people in one day. It is so emotional as I work at this site because I know those vaccinations are going to change the lives of everybody that gets one. And I'm so happy and thrilled for that. There are volunteers that are nurses and doctors and also some cottage employees. But normal citizens like me and you can also volunteer. They're looking for good people who want to help. It's hard work, you're on your feet all day, but it's so rewarding. I just encourage everyone to sign up to do this. In my town, it's at Cottage Hospital, and you can find that on the internet. Just Google it, volunteer for whatever community you live in for the COVID vaccinations. There I am, lane 2. I did a traffic lane. My first day, I was on traffic duty and I was pretending like I was a candid camera traffic cop. It was so much fun. They gave me a little flag and I got everybody into the lane safely and watched them all and told them to slow down, don't hit the car in front. It was a lot of fun. I dressed for the occasion with sunglasses and of course a mask and a visor. And all these cars just came in one by one. And on the cars, it's kind of neat. You might see these around town. They have a name on them so they know what time the people came in and who they are, so they know when the 15 minutes is up after the vaccination process happens. For the drive-through clinic, but there's all kinds of ways you can volunteer to help with the vaccination process in your community, wherever you live. In Santa Barbara, we also have a walk-in clinic that's brand new, and I went and checked that one out too. People get their vaccination card. There I am waving. That's the free lunch they provide. Healthy and delicious for all their volunteers, and snacks as well, and coffee in the morning to get you started. Being part of the solution will get me back to my real life, like seeing my son. Guess what? Today's a really big day. I'm getting vaccinated at Cottage Urgent Care. They told me to wear a short sleeve shirt, so I did. And I'm so excited because this means this day will change the rest of my life. I'm getting the first vaccination of the Pfizer. So I'm all smiles under my mask. Because of my close contact with about 100 people per day at the vaccination clinic, I was offered a vaccination shot. As I continue to volunteer, that will help protect me from getting the COVID.
Great, I think you might be our 10 o'clock appointment.
I am.
Are you Rebecca?
I'm Rebecca Brand. What's your name?
My name's Mark.
Hi, Mark.
I'm a volunteer. I'm here to help.
That's fantastic. Thank you so much for volunteerism.
Yeah, no problem. You a volunteer as well?
I am.
Cool.
I did traffic, you know.
You do. Okay, cool.
I'm so excited I'm getting the vaccine today. It's so exciting. It's the biggest day of my life ever. And I'm here at Cottage, and I just couldn't be more emotional and happy. And I'm sure it's going to be easy because I've been
arm loose. Go ahead and leave it loose. Go ahead and take a deep breath in.
Is that it?
That's it.
Oh my gosh, it wasn't even like when you pinch yourself because you're so excited.
There you go.
It wasn't even
Sorry,
like,
excuse me.
wow, that's it. Then I got my vaccination card and I checked in every day with the CDC because they asked on an app how I was feeling after the vaccine. So I let them know. There was a couple side effects, but this way I get to now see my son. That's my son Landon as I go visit him. He's bubbling up with a bunch of his friends in a company they have. They're doing the right thing and he's so careful. He always wears his mask even when he visits me in Santa Barbara, California. Even when we eat lunch outside or take our walks. And then I also can work with Zuri. This is my editor. She's wonderful, and she comes in all masked up, and there I am, far away from her, filming. And that's me again visiting Landon at another of the places he bubbled up. And it's just so wonderful that I now will be able to take my mask off and hug him. I have not hugged him with all this pandemic stuff going on in the longest time, and it just breaks my heart to not be closer to my kids and to get close enough to hug them. I'm always standing away and wearing my mask. There's my son Clayton, his girlfriend Rebecca, and I've just got to see them a number of times with our road trips, and it's so wonderful to see them, but now we get to do more hugs. I'll take that mask off and get close to my beautiful kids. I hope you think about volunteering. We will need many, many more as more vaccines are coming fast and furious. I'm Rebecca Brand. Thanks for watching.